Alright folks, welcome back. Just a quick teaser here. I this weekend picked up this Generac IX1600 inverter generator. It's seen better days. Case is pretty cracked. It's pretty nasty. Oh, and it came pre-disassembled actually. um, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up. I was told that the engine does run, the generator does generate. Just the pull cord is broken. Here is my big box of parts. So there's a pull cord right here. No longer pulling on anything. That's with the recoil. That needs to be re-wound, new cord, as well as it needs to be greased or something because it's got some weird sort of motion to it. Side panel, spark plug cover, gas tank, rear cover, and I also have my muffler cover from my Aaron's AX208 that I'm using as a parts dish, which works great. The guy I got this from for really cheap, actually. Free, actually. Said all the parts were there. Everything was good to go. Just lost patience with the stupid thing. He just cleaned the carb on it. Went to go pull it to turn it over to test out his work. And the pull cord snapped. So he gave up on it at this point. Mainly because there's a lot of plastic bits on the inside of the machine that are breaking apart. And he just doesn't want to deal with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to get a new case yet. They are a little spendy. I think about $180 for the entire orange shell thing. It includes all the bottom pieces, all the black plastic pieces, and a set of screws too. So that is nice. But I probably won't go that route. I want to keep this as cheap as possible. So I'll probably go through doing some plastic repairs on this guy, plastic welding, as well as we'll give the engine a once-over, make sure that's working properly, and the inverter, make sure that's going, do all the inverting that it needs to do, and get everything cleaned up, put back together, and back in this handy-dandy case, and hopefully I have myself a cheap generator here. But also to sweeten the deal, the gentleman who sold me this generator technically sold it to me. It was a sale because I had to take this ice auger as well with it. So I'm gonna go do a video on getting this guy running. It's been sitting in storage for quite some time. Not sure of the condition of it. It does still have some 2-cycle gasoline that's pre-mixed in the tank. Not sure how old it is or anything going on with this, but this is the actual part of the deal that I paid for. I paid $25 for this snow auger, or ice auger. It has a Briggs 2-cycle 3-horse motor on it. Pretty good blade on it too. It's nice and sharp. I don't do very much ice fishing myself, so I probably will just end up giving this away to a buddy of mine. But still, pretty sweet deal for a supposedly semi-working generator and a supposedly semi-working ice auger. But I will be working on both of these, and I will let you guys know how this entire process goes. And I'll keep you guys posted with another video as soon as I get some parts ordered and get started on these two things here. So, yep, stay tuned.